No. Paulie. No. 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 I do need to pick you up, though. I do. I need to clean you up, honey. Shit. Your spurs. Stop. Paulie. Paulie. Let me help you, honey. I'm just going to help you. No, Paulie. Mom's going to help you. Come on. Come on. No. You're okay. Look, I just want to go get stuff to treat your spurs, honey. They're black. I know that hurt. They were bloody, honey. It didn't seem to hurt, but so I do need to clean you up, okay? Do you want a shot of whiskey, Paulie? Do you want a shot of whiskey? Because I do. As a matter of fact, it's what I keep in the first aid kit out here in the barn is my fireball. All right, Paulie. What I'm just gonna do is spray on the hydrogen peroxide right now. Okay. Good boy. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is put, if I can find it, Paulie, if I can find it. Yes. The triple antibiotic ointment is so hot. Look how much I'm sweating, Paulie, look. Paulie, Paulie, Paulie. He's a good boy, and you know that I don't know why you keep attacking me. Like, that really is like, what the heck? What the hell? There we go. I'm not gonna hurt you. And if anything, it's gonna help you, okay? Remember this. I love you. I don't even think you really, I mean, you definitely want to hurt me. You actually really seem to fucking hate me. You do, Paulie. You seem to hate me. And all I do is love you and take care of you. And I'll take care of your babies too, everybody. Alright, please don't attack me, okay? There you go. No, 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 no. See? No. 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 Oh my gosh. No. No. I've had enough. That's enough.